Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the best VPNs for Forex trading in 2025, ensuring you trade securely with a VPN. Let's get started. Forex trading, or foreign exchange trading, involves buying and selling currencies on the global market. It's one of the largest and most liquid financial markets in the world, with a daily trading volume of over $6 trillion. In Forex trading, traders aim to make a profit by predicting price movements in currency pairs, such as the euro against the US dollar or the British pound against the Japanese yen. This type of trading can be highly profitable, but it comes with risks, especially when it comes to security. When trading Forex, your online safety and privacy are essential. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, making it a prime target for hackers. These threats can range from data breaches to unauthorized access to your personal and financial information. To protect yourself, it's important to use a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and hides your IP address, making it much harder for anyone to track your online activities. This is particularly important in Forex trading, where you need to access online platforms securely and trade without worrying about your data being exposed. A VPN also helps you avoid geo-restrictions and ensures that your connection remains stable and fast, even in regions with limited access. Among the many VPNs available, NordVPN is one of the best choices for Forex traders. You can try NordVPN using the link provided in the description below. NordVPN offers robust security features that are essential for safe and secure Forex trading. First, it provides military-grade encryption to protect your data. This means that any sensitive information you send or receive while trading, such as login credentials and financial data, is fully protected from potential hackers. NordVPN also has a large network of servers across the globe. This allows you to connect to a server in a country where Forex trading regulations are more favorable, ensuring you have access to the best rates and conditions. Additionally, NordVPN offers fast and stable connections, which are crucial when trading in real time and making quick decisions based on market movements. Another benefit of NordVPN is its strict no-logs policy. This means that NordVPN does not keep any records of your online activities, ensuring your privacy is maintained. Since Forex traders often need to access various platforms and accounts, maintaining privacy is essential to prevent any unwanted attention or tracking. NordVPN also supports multiple devices, so you can use it on your computer, smartphone, or tablet, ensuring your security across all platforms. This flexibility is important for traders who need to stay connected on the go. In addition, NordVPN includes features such as threat protection, which blocks malicious websites and ads, and CyberSec, which protects against malware and phishing attacks. These features add an extra layer of security while you're trading Forex, allowing you to focus on making profitable trades without worrying about potential threats. To use NordVPN for Forex trading, simply download and install the app, choose a server location that suits your needs, and connect to it. Once connected, you'll be able to trade securely, knowing that your data is protected. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, NordVPN offers the tools you need to trade Forex safely and confidently. In summary, Forex trading is a great way to profit from currency price movements, but it's important to protect your privacy and data. By using NordVPN, you can ensure that your trading activities are secure and your personal information is protected. With its strong security features, fast connections, and ease of use, NordVPN is an excellent choice for anyone serious about trading Forex safely. You can try NordVPN using the link provided in the description below.